Hey guys, in today's video it's super exciting because we are in the village and I'm gonna show you how a typical village Polish home looks like. Right now we are at the village and it's really beautiful. I really like it here, and I'm gonna show you around, maybe how the house looks like from outside. I will also show you around the like other buildings, how they look like, what's inside, and how life is within a Polish typical village home. It's so different compared to a Kenyan village home, like an African home. And yeah, it's really different and it looks beautiful. So come with me and I show you how it looks. So this is the main home, the main house, and this is the entrance. We have here, they put it's like the mailbox. So this is the main house and it looks like this. It's really beautiful. Looks like this. This is how it looks. Then I'm gonna take you around the house and show you what's there. So we have some noise, something going on here. Here we have the basement area, and let's see how it looks like inside. Not yet. Most of the Polish homes, they have a basement storage room where they keep food, especially during the winter. They keep the food, it's like preserving the food for the winter season. So this is it, and it looks really beautiful. That's the basement area, and that's what's going on there. They're making the chicken feeds. It's so noisy, but I think you heard what I was saying. This is the garage, but I think they no longer use it as the garage. I have a building here, so it's like a store, a storage place. And we have the generator, we have this one to trim the lawn, we have for barbecue during summer. Yeah, it's like it's a large storage and it's really interesting. So this is how the village looks like. So we're gonna go up here. The main economic activity here in the Polish village, in this particular village, it's farming. So the big lands that you can see, these are farms, and mostly they grow potatoes, they grow corn. Yeah, so they have very large farms. This is where they keep the cars instead of the garage. We have another house here, and boom, we have onions. We have many white onions here. It's also like a storage place. You have many things here. We have the car tires. We have some machines here. I don't know what's that. I don't know. We have many machines here. Here we have charcoal, and I was so surprised because this charcoal, it's like a stone coal. I don't know how it is because it's like a stone, but it's a charcoal. So I don't know how it's made. Let's look what's here upstairs. It's like also a storage place. We go to the next room, and I don't know if it's open. This is for the chicken. Grandma keeps chicken here. It's so much different compared to Africa, to be specific in Kenya, because the chicken that we have, most of the village homes, we have the free range chicken. We open for them in the morning, then in the evening they come back. But here it's very different because they are enclosed, and yeah, that's the life here. That's how it looks here. So here we have more storage, and we have a tractor and a small cart. Let me help Grandma here to carry. We're gonna feed the chicken. So this is the chicken feed, and we're going to feed the chicken. And we're so lucky to see the shop, how they shop here in village, especially the older people. The cars come to the house and they shop. So the grandma doing her shopping, and this is how it looks. This is the van, and we have the shop. The dobre. This is how it looks. So they come in your home and you just shop. Grandma is shopping. Typical village home, and it's really interesting, and it comes in handy to the old people because maybe they can't walk for long, or maybe they don't drive. So this really helps a lot. Grandma is done shopping, and that's it. Wow, she's done shopping. So, and she got some pizza. So that's it for today's video, and let me know in the comment section if you would like to live in such a cool village. And that's it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.